All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Caspa community. Appreciate you guys as always for sticking around and showing so much love. Let's waste no more time and get right in today's topic, which is regarding Caspa, see what is happening, and of course, what is yet to come. So, looking at the overall market, we are seeing a little bit of retracement after, Bitcoin did retest 69,500. Whales, I think are manipulating the market, and of course, still the news event is taking place. But anyhow, if you're looking at Caspa, it is one of the very few coins that is still holding really good against the overall market right now, up 1.1%. So, a very exciting update. So you want to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. But before we get into it, guys, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Caspa, 18.57 cents, guys. Absolutely beautiful right now, pretty much where we were yesterday. And it's also up 1.8% in BTC. Comparative market valuation at about $4.5 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about $121.1 million. One thing I want to kind of get, off my chest is, one or two comments that was coming in and saying, "Oh, Crypto ZX, what are you talking about? Why are you so excited? There was barely any boom." Well, if you think that is not what happened with the price of Caspa, then I think you are completely delusional. Because reason as to why I say that is because, we were seeing the price of Caspa holding below some key resistance levels for quite some time, and it finally broke out of there. And only the people that truly understand, the magnitude of that are, understanding, and they are the true holders, in my opinion. If you are always hoping for 30-40% moves, then guess what? That's not going to be the case. This was a very, very exciting day, and once again, you are seeing the continuation of that. But these troll comments, it just kind of ticks me off sometimes. But I know haters will always, be there no matter what. It's just part of the game. But sometimes, it's kind of annoying. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening. But with that said, I do appreciate the people that show so much love on a day-to-day basis on the Caspa updates. Continue doing that, and you will see the continuation of these updates. And guys, ignore the spam comments. I try my best to delete them, but they come back right off the bat. I don't know what's going on. Just simple one thing I want to tell you guys is, do not fall for any of those spam comments. Never send your crypto to anyone. Never click any links. And Crypto ZX, which is myself, will never reach out to you asking you to send me your funds or call me or whatever the case may be. Stay away from that. Anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with the broader markets. You are seeing Bitcoin dominance continue to climb up. And again, reason as to why this is the case is because we actually did see Bitcoin bouncing almost to $70,000. Never actually managed to reach that because, of course, that is a key resistance. We actually went up there, but seeing a little bit of, a cool off, which is very much needed. It's totally okay even though we're seeing a little bit of a cool off. But, what a great day we have seen for the markets, guys. Donald Trump had a lot of good things to say, about Bitcoin and how if he were to be elected president, what kind of plans he has for the U.S. government and Bitcoin, and a lot of exciting stuff, of course, and doesn't really come as a surprise to myself. But yeah, this is very, very interesting because, guys, we at one point, especially if you are an OG, I consider myself an OG because I actually did come into the market when the massive traditional finance boys, or the Wall Street, whatever the case may be, these guys were talking so bad on Bitcoin. Whenever the ETF conversations used to come, it was just like, are you guys kidding me? But look what's happening in a snap of a finger. It's complete switch. And I saw like one comment coming in saying, "Hey, Crypto ZX, these guys are wanting to get control of crypto that we started." In a way, we kind of did start, like when no one believed in it. People were showing so much interest in this upcoming separate market, which is away from the traditional finance market. And now you're seeing the same traditional finance people really implementing BTC, seeing the potential, and not just big companies. You're seeing governments showing attention to Bitcoin, and that speaks for itself, right? And I think the future just is going to get better and better for BTC. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Kaspa. So again, to all the trolls that don't understand what has happened, let me tell you guys this. Look at this. We went back into the 78.6, the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level for the first time since July 1st. And now you guys are probably scratching your head wondering, hey, hey, why is that even a big thing to be excited about? Let me tell you that. The reason why it's so exciting is because, we're on the edge of breaking towards a new all-time high. Yes, a new all-time high is exciting. If it's not exciting to you, then I cannot help you. Anyhow, obviously the Caspa, community members are the ones that are truly happy right now. Usually the people that leave negative comments are the ones that actually don't even have any exposure into Caspa or any of these coins. But anyhow, what I want you guys to realize is, look at it from this point of view. From June 18th low at 13.4 cents, you did see Caspa go up about 45.81%, and we're very, very close towards all-time highs, guys. Just needs a little bit of more push for us to actually get past that. We actually went to 19.5 cents. It doesn't come as a surprise to me. Again, after breaking into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, I've been telling you guys over the past few days that, I don't think it's going to be a hard time for Caspa to break towards all-time highs. But remember, all-time highs, there are usually, resistances around that range. Traders usually tend to lock profits, close their positions around there. And, usually it's a little bit of choppy, levels around that. But if the volume is enough, if the demand is quite high and Bitcoin is looking great, you do tend to see those breakouts. But we did make our way up to the 19.558 cents, and of course at the same time what we did see happen with Bitcoin was a little bit of a retracement as well, which of course is going to have an impact on the altcoin market, including Caspa. So let's not forget it from that point of view. But the craziest thing right now that a lot of people are not understanding right now is this. Let me tell you, what the craziest thing right now is the fact that that same exact resistance which we've been trying to break out has now turned into support, and we haven't even retested that support. That's the craziest thing. We're in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We closed within this range. This is exactly what you want to be seeing if you're a Caspa holder. And some of the key support levels from the previous all-time highs are really coming in clutch for the price of Caspa right now. You can clearly see this for yourself. We do have some support around that range, and that's exactly where Caspa is currently holding. But now let's say the Bitcoin does kind of retest down to $65,000 going into Sunday morning. We see whales come and try to shake out the weekends. If that does happen, could we potentially see the price of Caspa seeing a little bit of a minor pullback below the 23.6 once again? Obviously no one wants to hear that, but yes, absolutely, we're going to keep it realistic on this channel, one step at a time, guys. But yeah, that could end up happening. But as of now, this close is exactly what you wanted to see, the 23.6 Fib close, and it's looking more likely than ever that you actually do see that 20 cents Caspa rather than actually seeing a little bit of a pullback right now. So let's see what happens. Obviously step-by-step process. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. If you want to see more of these Caspa updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and yeah, with that said, I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.